I wonder what happened in the last video. Look at my nose. Look at that. I burnt it in the sun and I got this little, I don't know what here, but I look ugly. And again, can't get any dates. Can't date. Can't date. Too damn ugly. I mean, if you meet a person who you like because you think he knows or knows something, and then you look at his nose and it's all red, there's way too much spirit going through that nose. Been bursting all them bubbles. Imagine if my nose got big enough that it covered my whole face and you wouldn't say it would be a nose anymore. It would just be a flat area of my space. See, now it's growing this way. When will it grow this way? Imagine if my nose did that. That's like almost like saying, okay, I'm coming to planet Earth. I'm going to live on planet Earth. And they got these two nostrils. But look at the guidance. Give me a wider nose so I have more soul. Doesn't it make sense? I mean, I get a big schlong looking out. It's like I'm always looking out for the knowledge. Wow. Yeah, you know, things that are hidden. And now I'm putting on, I'm not sure if this is good, but I'm putting on, this is like ugly. I mean, this video will probably get refused, right? Because there's too much horrific stuff in it. And I think it's the oregano oil that's burning my nose right now. Oop, lost a Q-tip. I came up with something that I love. It's just something fantastic. It's mathematical and it's insane when you listen to it because it's hard to pass through the brain. Oh my God. This is terrible. Oh, that don't want to stick. I would have looked terrible anyways. Okay, so, and what it is I want to take 6 and go down 50% from 6. I want to go down 50% from 6. What am I going to get? 3. Now I want to go up 100% from 3. And I get 6. Look what 5 and 1 do. We have 80, we have 81. Is 80 the 10th position from 70, leaving me on the next level? 1 up from 7 is 8. Is that why we end with 0? But why 1? Or is 1 the division between the two? Is this a division saying opposite sides? Well, what is opposite of 1? It's 6. For years I've been saying 0 equals 6 because 6 is the 1 on the other side. You see, we can't start at 0, so we start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are the first 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what happens to these two 5s? Well, it's pretty simple. The first 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or can we be doing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? So what am I getting to? I'm trying to create the hypothesis for the truth, for a perfect reality and understanding why certain numbers can equal certain numbers, but on a secondary level. I'm going to try. I wish I can explain it so you can understand the art. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, if I put an 8 in front of it, and I put an 8 in front of it, they're the same. But in this instance, okay, these are exactly the same, but I want them to reflect each other. So I'm going to go 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to go 9, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6. 9, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now what can I do? I have to have 0 over here. Because look what happened. So if the first one, see where the ends with 0? 90 is my last 5. So I have to count down. So this is on the minus side. It's to the left of the numbers. This is to the right of the numbers. Right? Because I'm not starting at 96. I'm starting at 90. But since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are taken, I'm counting backwards from 90 to 89 to 88 to 87 to 86. So we actually have this over here. 9 and 8 come together. Where in this instance, 8 comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And here, sweet 16 is just like 1 again. And on the cube, right, 6 is opposite of 1. And not only that, we have to understand position. Okay, there's position, there's stuff that's going on here, right? Look, nothing around the 1. Nothing around the 1. And 1, and something around it, 8 or 80, meaning the position or houses. And I don't want to get into this because of how they say this in French. They go 420. Yeah. Quatre, quatre, tray, tray, quatre, 20. It's just crazy how these numbers go. So you understand? And what if we were going from 50? So you'd have 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you'd have, you would have 60, and you'd have 6, 5 that would come together. It would be 6, 9, 8, 7, 6. So you'd have the first two numbers would be 69, and the second two numbers would be, the first two numbers would be 60, 59, 58, 57, 56. So in this instance, you see what happens with 60? 60 is actually the end of the beginning of the second side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where now 1 is actually 0 equals to 1 because of its plateau. Did you understand what I said? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But since we have to count backwards, right? We have to count backwards from the end to the center. So we're at 60, 59, 58, 57, 56. Should we start this one at 50? Right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Should we start it at 50? Right? This one is void, or this one is 51, which is Mars. 50 would be the center. So over here, we'd have to have 5 and 4. And 4, 0, 9. 0, 9, 8, 7, 6. Do you follow? I need someone to ask me if they understand. Do you understand? Although our furthest number is 50, okay, I want to know which one are we working on. Is it this one, 50, 51 to 4? Oh, sorry. This is no longer the 0 over here. Let me mark that out. I'm going to explain that to you, what just happened. Just let me put this down for a second. Stick with me. Stick with me. Stick with me. I'm going to show you. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one would be also in the 5s, right? You wouldn't be at the next level, and you would be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So which way are we? Are we both in the 5s? Is this my 55 that we're talking about? When we get to this number, when we need this number, is where 5 and 4 shall come together 9, 6 and 3 will come together 9, 7 and 2 will come together 9, 8 and 1 will come together 9, 9 and 0 come together 9. You always have 90 in all the numbers, 9 and 0. Add them up, you have a total of 45 and 10 numbers, 4.5. And that would be the foxhole in the sun. Over here you'd have 11 and 5, 5 and 2, and that would be your Earth. Remember, there's more than one system, right? There's more than one system. This pipe goes over that pipe and goes inside this pipe. This pipe goes around this pipe here and around this pipe here like an overpass. I don't know what the system is, I'm just saying. So if we have it over here, this system, where it's in between dropping off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we'd have 0 and 1, 1, 9 and 11, 2, 8 and 3, 0, 1, 1, 9 and 2, 11 equals 2, 8 and 3, 11, 1 and 1 is 2, 4 and 8, 12, 1 and 2 is 3, 5 and 6, 11, 1 and 1 is 2, 4 and 7, 11, 1 and 1 is 2. This one will create all 2's, and at the top it'll create a 5 and a 2. This one over here will create 10, okay, equals to 1, equals to 7. And this one down here would equal to 9 over 0, 9, and this one 9 over 0, 9, and this one would be all 9, so it would be 9, 9, 9, 2, 2, 2. And here would be 1 with 9, 9, 9. Here would be 7. Do you follow what I'm saying? The top number and then the bottom number. Top number 17 becomes 8, 8 and 8 becomes 7 to the 10. This will become 5, 1, 6, 4, 2, 6, and 3, 6, 3, 6. This one over here from first to last becomes the same thing as this one. Do you follow what I'm saying? Ask me the questions. Raphael, 7286, and a constellation of Pegasus. Even in the dice cube, it shows you when you have 6 one way, but you need both ways. How do you get both ways in the same time? Do you have 2 dice? What's going on? Thank you for watching this video. Raphael in the House of Paint. Thank you for watching this video. Let the imagination rock.